viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to discuss about Core Wallet, and in this video we are going to manage our network. Yes, if you want to use other network from Core Wallet, so how can you do? This is so simple and easy. So please must watch this video till end. This video is going to very informative for you. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So you can see here right top corner, I have installed already Core Wallet, and today we are going to manage, or today we are going to add some network and remove some network which is we are not going to use. So how is the work? Simple is that first of all you just simple click on Core Network icon. I have the apply password when I was create account because this wallet is very important for me. If you are apply your password on your wallet, so maybe you save your account from scammer or hacker. Okay. So now going to enter my password here, which is I have applied, and after that I'm going to click on login button. If your password is correct, then your account will be accessed. Otherwise, the shown the error is wrong password. So simple click on login. Now wallet is going to open front of me, and you can see here we have used this wallet for the Avalanche C chain, and you can also use other chains. So how can you manage the networks? The first of all, you can see here there is shown account number 1. I have created already video about how can you create the multiple account on Core wallets. You can simply visit my YouTube channel and watch that video. And if you need to check the network, which network you are going to use, so simple is that right top corner there is shown the network option. Click on it, and then you can see here I have selected Avalanche C chain, and there are also available Bitcoin and also Ethereum chain. So if you want to manage this chain, or you can change this chain, so how can you change and how can you add chain and how can you remove chain from this area? Simple click on manage network. Going to click on manage network, and you can see here there's shown 3 chains. The Avalanche C chain is by default installed, and Bitcoin chain is shown. When you can see here the star button means you have added successfully chain on this portion. And second chain is Ethereum, means you can also use in Core Wallet Avalanche, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, many networks available here. So let's start. How can you add, or how can you remove from this portion and network? Simple click on second option, network option. And third option is customized chain. I will also make the video about how can you add the customized chain if you have not searched in this search area. So please must watch my incoming videos. So now we are going to click on network option, and you can see here there's shown Arbitrus, Arbitrum, Avalanche, many chain is available here. Beam chain, Bitcoin, and DFK chain, Ethereum, Feature, Green Dot, many chain is available here. I think there is many big name is available here. Let's suppose you want to add any chain and remove. So what will you do? Simple is that. Let's suppose I want to add Beam chain on this portion, my network portion. So simple is that I'm going to first of all search the Beam, or you can use base. So first I need to use the base chain. So what will I do if I need to add in this portion, this chain? Simple is that you just simple click on star button. When you click on star button, and I'm also going to add one more chain on this portion. You can see here feature layer 1, also click on it. Green dot, also click on it. And now we are going to cross check these chain are added on my this portion or not. First of all, I am going to click on this option, right top corner, click on it, and then you can see here the base chain is added successfully, feature layer added, and green dot is added. Means which chain you want to use, so you can just simple click on star button. And you can also use the favorite option. You can see here the favorite option is shown here. Your all chain is added successfully here, and now you want to remove some chain from this favorite option, so you can use same scenario. Let's suppose I don't want to use feature layer 1. Simple click on star button, and also don't use the green dot cross, and my also use don't use Ethereum. Simple click on star button. So you can see here the all chain is removed from my favorite portion, and also you can see here the network option. So there is shown only three chains: Avalanche by default, base chain, Bitcoin chain. So you can easily add or remove main chain from this portion. This is so simple and easy. Let's suppose if you want to use the base chain, simple click on base chain, and if you want to deposit, simple go to back, and after that there is option available here, base chain activate and add assets, and you can add the customer token here. Just depend on you. If you want to deposit on this wallet, core wallet, you must cross check which chain you are going to use. First you must cross check, otherwise your fund will be lost. Let's suppose you selected Avalanche and you are going to send the money on base chain, so your fund will be lost. So keep in your mind, don't use other chain, and don't use uh, for deposit main chain like Avalanche, and you're going to use deposit Bitcoin, so its fund will be lost. And if you want to use the Bitcoin chain, simple click on Bitcoin chain, and you can use this option, and also shown here Avalanche and base chain. And if you want to view your all network, simple click on it, view all network. So all network are also available here, which is we are already discussed on this video. Okay viewers, so viewers, I hope you properly understand how can you add mainnet or chains in your core wallet. This is so simple and easy. You just simple add and remove, and you can easily use. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. You can easily mail to me my email address, cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com. If you face problem regarding deposit, withdrawal, find private key, or any other issue, so you just simple visit my YouTube channel and click on the playlist option, and then you can see here there's all wallets reviews available here, which is you want to use Dogecoin or Rabi wallet, Avalanche and Bitcoin, Atomic wallet, IOTA, many wallets available here. Simple visit and watch all videos. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.